Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to use event pages on Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Click on this website button below the website you want to use or create an event page on. Go to Pages. If you don't have an event page yet, you can simply create it by clicking on this plus icon. From this list, select Events. Now select the events page template you prefer. I will go with this second one. You can rename your events page from here, and this name will show up in your navigation menu here. Click on the Enter button on your keyboard to confirm your page, and at the same time you go into the events available on your website. If you want to download one or more of these pre-built events, just click on these three dots and hit delete. Confirm your deletion and it will be removed. First, I need to check in my events page. To add an upcoming event, just click on this plus icon, and you can give your event a title, for example, offline meetup. You can give details like the date and time. It will be in this at this date, and for time you can use this slider to select the time. For example, 9:30 p.m. Click on save or back to edit or to add a location. You can add a location from here or directly by using this map. Click on save, and this is your event details. This is the title, the event title, the date and time, and the location. You can write something here like, for example, what to bring with you, what you should not do, or any details you want to add for your event. Click on, you can save your event for later editing, or you can publish it instantly or scheduling it for later publishing. For this video, I will go with publish now. To check out your event live, click on this little arrow on this corner. This is the event I just added to my events page. You can go to check all your events on your website. Click on back to all events. And this is your events page on your website. Now let's continue editing our events or exploring how to use event pages on Squarespace. To edit this image, just click on these settings. From featured image, you can add an image from your computer. Let's use this image as the events image. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. You can also edit your event page URL from here, the author of your event page. You can duplicate an event page from here. Under options, you can edit your event status from published to draft, needs review, or scheduled. If you have multiple events and you want organization, you can use tags and categories. You can turn on and off comments on your events. Under SEO, you can optimize your event page for Google, for example. From the social image, you can upload an image that will show up when someone tries to share your event on social media. And from the location, you can edit your event location. Click on save. As you can see, my photo is added to my event. And to access the settings for this events page, click on this little gear icon and you can edit your events page title from here. Same thing with the navigation title that will show up in the navigation menu. You can also edit the events page URL slag. You can enable or disable this page. I will go with enable. You can even set this events page as the home page on your website. Under advanced, you can manage your added categories or used categories and tags, and you can inject a code here. And this is how to use events on Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.